Welcome to Jam
Rock, camp where the thugs them camp at. Two now in a van back. It inna your handbag, your knapsack, it inna your backpack. The smell of your girlfriend. Some boy not know this. Them only come around like tourists on the beach with a few club sodas, bedtime stories, and pose like them name Chuck Norris. And don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals are not back to the thugs them way to where them got